from feeling sick or dealing with a sore throat. Ginger tea is a powerful natural remedy that can help you feel better fast. Here's how to make it. Ginger tea is one of the best natural remedies to ease cold symptoms, soothe a sore throat, and boost your immune system. It's simple, effective, and made with just a few ingredients. To make the ginger tea, you'll need fresh ginger root, water, honey, optional, and lemon, optional. Start by peeling a small piece of ginger. Slice it thinly to release its strong flavor. Place the ginger slices into a pot of water. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done simmering, strain the tea into a mug to remove the ginger slices. Optional. If you like your tea sweet, add a spoonful of honey. You can also squeeze in some lemon juice for extra vitamin C. And that's it. Your soothing ginger tea is ready to help ease cold symptoms and provide relief. Drink it while it's warm and feel better soon. If you found this remedy helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment below with any other natural remedies you'd like to see. Stay healthy and take care.